what's up? It's that Metal Guy 1983, and I'm coming to you guys with another beer review for Ninkasi, and I said it right this time. Alrighty then, Brewing. And they are out of Eugene, Oregon. This is their Northwest IPA, and it has Mount St. Helens on it. Which, cool story about Mount St. Helens. As we all know, it was a volcano that erupted, knocked down trees for miles. Right before I was born, this happened. But we went on a Boy Scout trip out there, went and visited the site. It was freaking awesome. But right near there is Crater Lake, and we didn't have any sleds or anything, but there was snow up on the distance, and we put trash bags around us, just poked holes in it and slid down in these trash bags down this giant snow hill. It was pretty freaking cool. Anyways, yeah, that's a little thing you might not have known about me. I was a Boy Scout, even made it to Eagle Scout. Oh yeah, I'm back. Sorry for that short little intermission. You'll see it as just kind of a clip through in the review, but I thought I'd rinse that out, and I didn't want it to taint the beer flavor with another beer. So, here's the can. Pretty freaking sick. They're out of Eugene, Oregon. And let's do the pour here. And this is a Northwest IPA. I don't think I've had many Northwest IPAs. Shake it, don't break it, mama. All right. Ooh. Legend has it, Mount St. Helens blew her top in 1980 due to inadequate beer offerings from the mountain climbers. We recommend bringing her a Total Dom full of Northwest flavor, just in case. And by the way, in the last review, I called it Dominion. It's Domination. Dominate. Domination. Hell yeah. Get it going. Yeah. And this has 6.7% and 81 IBUs. It's a little bit on the high on the IBU, baby. Just be ready. Go ninja, go ninja, go. Go ninja, go ninja, go. Ninja, ninja, rap. Anyways. That is definitely a more of a in between, like a gold and amberish color. You could definitely taste some hops up in her. I wish it said which ones they used, because I don't know what distinctly makes it a Northwest IPA. And the cool thing, it says, perpetuate better living is their slogan, and I dig that. Excuse me. Beard shake, baby. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please comment down below. So subscribe's going to be right here. The little, it's going to be over somewhere here. Or subscribes here, thumbs here, notification bell somewhere. Hit them all, baby. Get them all. Yeah. Yes, Lord. A gift from above. Right. Not sure what it is about it, but something in here is giving me almost like a lager aftertaste, which isn't a bad thing. But I'm wondering what that is. I'm not sure. Total Domination IPA, Northwest IPA, Mount St. Helens. Hell yeah. If you guys ever get a chance to go out to Mount St. Helens, it is insane. Just to look at it, trees just knocked over for miles, dude. Well, they said it set off like the same kind of concussion as like explosion from a nuclear bomb. Crazy thing is, as it's going off, my uncle's driving the opposite direction, and he felt the concussion as he's driving the opposite direction. He looks back, and he said it was just this huge plume of ash going up into the air. And as he's driving, even though he's super far away, it starts trickling down. Pretty insane. Ninkasi. I would like to know what that means, actually. I'll have to look that up for another review. I got a lot of Ninkasi beers coming. So I know I've got their goat pack. I've got their variety pack. So I have 8 beers to choose from by them. So there'll be 8 reviews on these guys alone, which is super sweet. Totally tubular, right? Pretty awesome. So I'm pretty amped. I like the beer. The beer is tasty. If you're not, subscribe and become part of the Oh Yeah Army. Have a fantastic day. Do what you need to do to get your head right. Don't forget to spread peace, love, and understanding. Even though we're socially quarantined, you can spread it to those people you talk to via social media, over the phone. Those people still essential that you end up interacting with. Spread that peace, love, and understanding. Keep on rocking, and oh, yeah.